Let's show you. This temple was near where I was staying, so I've decided to come. It's called the Lakshmi Narayana Temple. It looks like everything is in like the gold way, gold plated. Looks like all the gold color. So let's have a look. The preacher is Ramanuja. The preacher of Vishnu is Ramanuja. Tirupati holy temple of Vishnu was Ramanuja. Everything to God. Okay. I don't think I can take it inside. So I will show you from outside. I think photography is not allowed. Looks like a beautiful temple. Namaskaram. Okay. Hanuman. The Dhwajam. And most importantly, Ramanuja. As we are Vaishnavas, for us Ramanuja has a very special place. Mr. Ramanuja. And then this is the local beach. Local people come here. Quite busy as it's a weekend. This Sri Lankan restaurant, they have Indian menu also. It's called Achi, Indian menu. Plain naan is 180, and aloo gobi masala, paneer masala. I ordered paneer masala. But you have non-vegetarian options also. And here they have other options, Kotu and Sri Lankan food. So I've ordered this vegetable biryani. I might try. They didn't have non-veg, and I've ordered a plain lassi. They didn't have papaya lassi or anything like that. So let the food come and I will let you know. So the prices seem to be reasonable. So let's see how the food tastes.